Hey, what's up guys, and it's official, Xiaomi is announcing the Redmi K30 Pro and its Zoom edition on 24th March. In the world of Galaxy S20 Plus, iPhone 11 Pro Max and other expensive phones, Xiaomi is launching the cheapest flagship. It gets the flagship CPU, flagship performance, better design with no notches and no holes. So on March 24, Xiaomi will showcase these devices in a pre-recorded live event. They'll also announce the features and pricing. But there's no need to wait that long, cause what you are looking right now is your live look to the Redmi K30 Pro 5G. It's having a circular camera module like Nokia and Motorola, which is having 4 cameras on back. There's also LED flash and 5G branding. On top there's a rising selfie shooter with single camera with LED flash like K20, which you can use it for notifications and it gets lit while charging. There's also a headphone jack, which is impressive. This green color reminds me of Redmi Note 8 Pro. I hope there's more color option like black and white. In terms of the front design, it gets a full screen panel with no notches, no holes. So they are continuing the same design like K20/K20 Pro. And that's great cause the Xiaomi Mi 10 comes with a hole, the Galaxy S20 Plus is having a hole, iPhone gets a notch. We also have the full set of specifications courtesy Chinese social platform. It says there's a 2.5D curve, 6.4 inches, 1080p OLED display. Xiaomi is using 64 megapixel IMX686 along with 13 megapixel ultra wide. Rest looks like macro and depth lens. They have made a specific variant for telephoto zoom, and that's the Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition, which will feature a telephoto lens as the name suggests. Rest specifications are same. See, I think there was no need for a zoom edition. I mean, they could have done this with the regular variant also. Featuring a telephoto lens is not bad at all. Never mind, you also get a 4500 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging. There's flagship CPU 865, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.0 for fast read and write speed, and NFC. This leak says the K30 Pro gets only 8GB of RAM, while Zoom Edition will be having 12GB of RAM. Now there's no wireless charging, IP68 certification, no 90Hz smoothness, which most you can find in the Xiaomi Mi 10. The pricing mentioned in this leak is quite shocking. It says the Redmi K30 Pro 5G starts at 3499 yuan, which is 37,000 Indian rupees, that's $500 and goes to 4199 yuan for Zoom variant. If this is the pricing without any flagship features apart from the 865 silicon, I have no idea how Xiaomi is gonna sell this thing, cause you can get these features in the Poco X2 also without the flagship CPU, and that's fine. Again, this is the speculated pricing. I hope it starts at 2499 yuan. That would make more sense like last year. So that's all guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.